Sinira niya lang yung kapatid niya. Kasi pinapalabas siya doon sa investigasyon, mali yung ginawa ng kapatid niya. Mali yung ginawa ng administrasyon na ito kung bakit sinurrender si Digong dyan sa the Netherlands. Na malinaw naman ang dahilan kung bakit siya dinala dyan. Dahil meron siyang kaso. Yes, walang jurisdiction ang International Criminal.
So, what's happening today is not about the former president or the President of the Republic of the Philippines. It's all about sovereignty, patriotism. Why would we should obey rules from the foreign nation when we have our own laws? To be apprehended. And maybe we should learn the history and sacrifice of our national heroes. It was wasted.